Picture this. You reach the peak of pleasure. Your heartbeat races, your breath quickens, and everything feels familiar. But in the quiet after the climax, there's nothing. No semen, no visible release. The sensation was there, but the physical sign is gone. In that moment, confusion takes over. What just happened? Many men experience this, especially later in life, and it can feel unsettling. It's called dry ejaculation or anejaculation, when orgasm happens but little or no semen appears. It can feel like something essential has vanished, but it's far more common and far less serious than most people realize. This is not the end of your desire, your vitality, or your masculinity. It's simply your body sending a message that something has changed. And in most cases, there's an explanation and often a solution. To understand this clearly, we need to separate two things that often seem identical: orgasm and ejaculation. Orgasm is a neurological event, a wave of pleasure generated by the brain and nervous system. Ejaculation is a mechanical process, a series of muscular contractions and glandular releases that push semen through the urethra. During normal ejaculation, the testicles produce sperm. The seminal vesicles add most of the fluid, filled with nutrients and fructose. The prostate contributes a protective milky secretion that helps sperm move freely. Then, powerful pelvic floor muscles contract to propel everything outward. Think of it like an orchestra. The brain is the conductor. The glands and muscles are the instruments. When they play together, orgasm and ejaculation merge in harmony. A dry orgasm means the music of pleasure still plays, but one instrument, the visible release, has gone silent. So why does this happen? There are three main reasons: retrograde ejaculation, blockage, and hormonal changes. In retrograde ejaculation, the semen moves backward into the bladder instead of forward. Normally, a small muscle at the base of the bladder closes tightly during orgasm to prevent this, but if that valve stays open because of prostate surgery, nerve damage from diabetes, or medications that relax the muscle too much, the semen takes the easier route into the bladder. You still feel the orgasm, but the semen simply exits later when you urinate. It's harmless, though unexpected. The second cause is a blockage. Sometimes the glands work perfectly, but the ducts that carry the fluid are obstructed. Old infections like prostatitis, untreated sexually transmitted infections, or previous pelvic surgeries can leave tiny scars that block these narrow channels. Even small stones or cysts can do it. In this case, the semen isn't going backward, it's trapped. The third cause involves hormones, particularly testosterone. Testosterone acts as the conductor keeping everything in rhythm. As men age, testosterone naturally declines, a process known as andropause. Lower levels reduce activity in the seminal vesicles and prostate, meaning less fluid is produced. Chronic conditions such as long-term diabetes or high blood pressure can speed up this decline by damaging the blood vessels and nerves that support these organs. The result is a gradual decrease in semen volume, sometimes until the ejaculation appears dry. While dry ejaculation is usually harmless, there are moments when it's important to seek medical attention. If the change happens suddenly without explanation, if there's pain or burning during orgasm, if you see blood in your urine or semen, or if you experience weakness, numbness, or problems controlling urination, you should consult a doctor. The same applies if you develop fever or chills, which may suggest an infection like prostatitis. These are your body's warning signs, and they deserve attention. Fortunately, there are effective solutions. The first step is diagnosis. A urologist can perform simple tests to find the cause. A post-orgasm urine test can confirm retrograde ejaculation by checking for sperm in the urine. An ultrasound of the prostate and seminal vesicles can reveal blockages or scarring. A hormone test can show if testosterone levels are too low. Once the cause is known, treatment can be tailored to you. Adjusting medications, strengthening the bladder valve, clearing blockages through minor surgery, or starting carefully supervised testosterone replacement therapy are all proven options. Lifestyle plays an equally powerful role. Managing diabetes and blood pressure protects the nerves and vessels vital for ejaculation. Regular exercise, especially pelvic floor strengthening, improves control. A diet rich in vegetables, fish, and healthy fats supports hormones and prostate health. And getting enough sleep helps regulate testosterone and reduce stress, both of which are essential for sexual well being. But perhaps the most overlooked factor is emotional. The real harm of dry ejaculation often comes not from the physical change but from the silence surrounding it. Many men feel embarrassed or avoid intimacy out of fear of being judged. Yet your worth as a man is not measured by a few drops of fluid. A dry orgasm does not mean you've lost your desire or your ability to give or feel pleasure. It's a signal, not a verdict. Open communication is key. Talking honestly with your partner or a sexual health professional replaces shame with understanding. When you bring this issue into the open, you remove fear from the equation. And that's when intimacy becomes stronger, not weaker. So let me close with this. Dry ejaculation is not the end of your intimate life. It's a message from your body asking for attention, not punishment. Most causes are reversible or manageable. Your desire is still alive, your body still responds, and your ability to enjoy closeness and pleasure remains intact. The solution begins with awareness, and awareness begins with conversation. Don't let silence define you. Talk to your doctor, talk to your partner. Understanding your body is the first step to restoring confidence, connection, and lasting well-being. I'm Dr. Zara, reminding you that knowledge is power, and in men's health, silence is never the answer.